How to change language in Taobao app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to change language in Taobao app. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch any web browser on your device. Click the search bar and type for the Taobao. You will reach on the regional section where you need to click on the official website of Taobao. Then you will land on the official interface of Taobao, and then in order to change language, you need to click the three dots at top right corner of the screen. From this drop-down menu box, select Translate, and at the top right, choose English language or any convenient language for you. After a while, you can see that we have successfully changed language in Taobao app. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.